Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting and decoration with a product that's been making waves in the market. It's none other than the Koopi Deco mesh ribbon set. If you're into wreath making or DIY decorations, you're going to want to stick around for this one. First things first, let's talk about why this product stands out from the rest. The Koopi Deco mesh ribbon set is hailed as one of the best mesh ribbons for wreaths available in the market today. And it's not hard to see why. Each set includes 2 rolls of high-quality poly mesh ribbon, measuring 10 inches wide and 30 feet long. That's plenty to unleash your creativity and craft stunning wreaths, swags, and other decorations. But what really sets this product apart is its versatility. Whether you're planning a wedding, decorating for a party, or simply sprucing up your home, the Koopi Deco mesh ribbon set has got you covered. The tan burlap with champagne metallic foil design adds an elegant touch to any project. Crafting enthusiasts will also appreciate how easy it is to work with this mesh ribbon. Its sheer quality and durability make it a breeze to shape, twist, and manipulate into your desired designs. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Koopi Deco mesh ribbon set in your crafting projects. Firstly, it unleashes your creativity like never before. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or a beginner, the possibilities are endless with this versatile mesh ribbon. Secondly, it gives your creations a professional finish. The high-quality materials and attention to detail ensure that your wreaths and decorations look like they were made by a professional. And finally, it offers incredible value for money. With 2 generous rolls in each set and a price tag of just $13.99, you're getting top-notch quality without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your crafting game to the next level, look no further than the Koopi Deco mesh ribbon set. With its quality, versatility, and unbeatable value, it's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy crafting!